You're watching 2 Minute Law with me, Maria Spear Ollis of Spear IP. Protecting yourself at market is a big concern for fashion brands and really for makers of any kind. In our camera phone culture and social media obsessed culture, it's common to see people taking photos of things at market, but a lot of times brand owners get nervous, and rightfully so, because that makes it very easy to steal. So protecting yourself at market can come down to a couple of things. One is being proactive in protecting what is protectable about your brand, and two is kind of as politely and nicely as you can, kind of laying some ground rules at your booth or your station. So first, that proactive piece, and that means protecting your IP. So what is IP? Of course, it's your trademark, your brand name and logo. That falls under trademark territory, and having a trademark search done and getting that trademark registered will help to protect your brand name. Related to trademark is trade dress, so any distinctive packaging or color that you use that's exclusive to your brand, kind of a source identifier. Shore up your copyright protection if it's available to you. Copyright protects unique artwork, text, literature, artistic designs, graphic designs, photographs, lithographs, things like that. Shoring up that copyright protection prior to someone infringing is a good idea. And then talking to someone about design patents. So design patent protects the design of an article, but it can take a year to 18 months to get a design patent. So you really have to be thinking ahead if you're thinking about getting a design patent. So the other piece, of course, is kind of politely instructing the attendees at your booth. And yeah, it's a double-edged sword because you want folks to interact with your brand, but you also, if it's important to you, if you feel like you really need to go there in terms of protecting your brand, then I would recommend putting up a sign that asks folks not to take photos. So I hope all of that helps. See you next time.